Today we're diving into the incredible features of the Safety First Turn and Go DLX rotating car seats 360 degrees. A revolutionary all-in-one car seat designed to make your life easier and your child's ride safer. With its innovative SafetySwivel 360 degrees technology, this car seat allows for a full rotation, bringing you face to face with your little one for hassle-free buckling and transferring. Installation is a breeze thanks to the SecureTech system, which uses red to green visual indicators to ensure proper seatbelt tension, solving a common problem that 7 out of 10 parents unknowingly face. This car seat meets or exceeds all federal safety standards and is NHTSA compliant, providing peace of mind with its intentional design. The attached connection cord ensures that the base and seat are always used together, adding an extra layer of safety. Plus, the built-in vehicle belt lock-off arm makes getting a tight fit quick and easy, so you can be confident in your installation. With a one-time base installation for all 3 modes, infant, toddler, and big kid, you'll never need to reinstall the seat as your child grows, making it a convenient and reliable choice for parents on the go. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.